Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O, and I do some YouTube from time to time. I'm going to talk to you today. If you're an Uber driver, okay, if you are an Uber driver, if you're thinking about being an Uber driver, you may want to listen to me. I do an Uber rental, and I'm going to explain to you what has happened to me this week. Daddy-O went a little crazy, so hang on. If you're new here, hang on. I'm going to go through some stuff. I actually made notes this time, all right? So you may want to hang on. Sometimes the questions that I'm going to respond to a little bit here are from people that didn't watch the whole video. So if you can, hang on to the end of the video. If I answered your question, great. If I didn't, leave me a comment. Let me know, okay? I'll try to figure it out for you. We'll figure this stuff out together. Here's what's happened to me. I rent a vehicle to do my Ubering in, and I'm going to answer one of the questions I've gotten in the last few days about it, and that's the price I was paying to rent the vehicles I was renting before. I was paying $305 a week. Daddy-O has moved up a little bit, and I'm so glad I did. Daddy-O has gone electric, and I'm going to tell you what's happened in the last 3 days at least, all right, since I've had this electric, the money that I've made, the difference it's made for me. I was lucky. Daddy-O, when he went to rent this time, they didn't have no gas vehicle, so they offered me a Mach-E 4X all-wheel drive. And I've been talking about that in the last few days on these videos. This vehicle is like 480 horsepower comparatively. And here's what it's done for me, okay? And this is the shocker. And I've told you guys about acceptance rates before, not to pay attention to them. And Daddy-O doesn't pay attention. But what's happened, I was at 15% the other day acceptance rate when I went and got this vehicle. In the 4 or 5 days I've been using this vehicle, without even paying attention to it and knowing it, Daddy-O's acceptance rate has jumped up to 56%. I got to be careful. If I don't watch out, I'll be a gold or a diamond or something again. That's because I'm doing more runs in the electric. And the response I'm getting from people. All right. So here's what's happened. Now I'm paying, and I'm good with this. I'm paying now $380 a week. All right, $75 jump. But what's happened in the last 3 days, in just tip money, not counting the more runs I'm doing, I'm getting the business comforts. I'm making more money that way. I am making just comfort rides. I'm getting those again because I've stepped up to another comfort vehicle, where the other Hyundai I was in wasn't comfort no more. It wasn't cutting it. Uber had cut those vehicles out of the comfort program, and that's why I needed to swap. So what's happened is, in these 3 days, I've done $300 in just tip money. Just tip money. All right? That's good. That's cool. All right? I can handle that. Gas and electric, I'm having no problem with that. I'm having to go somewhere to get it charged, but I'm okay with that because I gotta have a tablet. I can entertain myself for the hour it takes to charge this thing up full. All right. I mean, I sat out there last night after I had done everything I wanted to do. I sat here and watched YouTube. I watched some other things on my tablet, and I charged the thing up. This morning I had a fresh battery. I jumped out here, in just a few hours I worked, I did more than I normally would. I'm accepting more runs. I'm happy to go get people in this vehicle because of the response I get. You know, if you've watched any of my videos before, I talk about playing the tip game, how to make money with tips, all right? I do quite well with tips, all right? This vehicle has increased my tips. Even though the other games I'm playing, when they get in here now and they smell the smell I've talked about before, I still have my same music playing. The vehicle is damn clean. I got a sunroof that goes from front to back. This vehicle has definitely helped me step it up to another level. So if you go over to rent a vehicle and they say all we got is electric, you may want to try it. In the video I did the other day, a few days back, I talked about someone that sent me a message that they had gone out and rented a Tesla. All right. And they were making $1,300 a week just Monday through Friday with that Tesla. All right. This is easy. This makes it absolutely easier. Other than the charging issue that I'm having where I have to drive way out to go get it charged up. This vehicle is working for me. All right. And I'm going to make it work until it craps out. And the only thing that can crap out on this vehicle right now, unless something electrical goes out on it, is the tires. I don't have to worry about oil changes. I don't have to worry about my mileage. I don't have to worry about nothing. All I have to do is go out, push this little button up here, and wait to see. It's not, is it cranking? No, it's already running. That's electric. And I'm telling you, when I put my foot on the gas, now I've got this, there's 3 modes here. There's 3 modes I can run this thing in. Whisper, engaged. I don't remember what the other one was, but it's more or less balls to the wall. All right, it'll run. All right, I keep it in whisper. All right, I'm hoping that's helping me with the mileage. If you know more than I do about that, let me know. I'm hoping that'll give me some extra distance. The thing is, in whisper, this thing will still scoot. All right, it'll scoot better than the Hyundai or even the RAV4 I had before. This vehicle will run. All right, so keep it in whisper, I guess, and try to save some energy. But this vehicle is definitely surprise. I wasn't expecting the response I get from people. It's all leather interior, you know. So if you go to rent one or rent a vehicle and they say, hey, all we got is the Mustang. I mean, I got this thing handed to me with 29,000 miles on it. Go figure. All right, 29,000 miles on this vehicle. And I'm going to run it like I did all the others I've run, all the way up to, it gets into 80,000 something. And I guess they'll call me like they did before or let me know, hey, it's getting time to turn that big vehicle back in. I'm going to keep this thing. I'm going to work this thing. I'll probably have this through the summer. I hope it lasts. I hope it does me well. If it does, I'm going to run this right through the busy season here, all right, because of the response I get. And so, yeah, if they say that all they got is electric, grab you one, try it. Try it for a week. That's what I did. I had until this morning when they opened up to either like it or not like it. Be over there with it this morning. They would have put me in something else, I guess. I chose to keep it. I'm going to keep it at least for another week. We'll go week by week on this thing for a while, but I'm going to run it as hard as Uber will send me runs. I'm going to do the same thing, and that's what I've been doing. Now, I'm putting on this vehicle, I think it was yesterday, day before yesterday, I put on 300 miles on the vehicle, or just over 300 miles on it that day. Yesterday, I found myself where I had run it that night late. Then yesterday when I come out, my battery was down a little bit, but I got out here and ran it until I had to run out there and put a little juice on it, come back and run it again. And then I went out the other night and charged it back all the way to the top. This morning I started off with, that's my only problem. That's my only hiccup with this thing is the fact that I have to go all the way 11 miles out, 11 miles back. I make use of it. There's a car wash on the way out there that I use, one of the other ones. And there's, I get something to eat like I did last night on the way out there. Sit there, eat, watch TV, let it charge up, go back and get ready for another day. I don't know. I'm trying to make this work. So if you're doing an electric car for your Uber, let me know how it's working for you. I'm available. Let me know tips. I'm new at the electrical thing. But I like it so far. And the people that I'm picking up, they like it. And if you play my little tip games I've talked about in other videos, and if you're new here and you've not seen that, there are games to be played out here to make extra money. Don't be working, I'll say it again. Don't be working from point A to point B with your passengers. That's just the fare that Uber's giving you. There's other money to be made. Work the systems that I've talked about, play the games, and you will be rewarded. So I don't know anything else on here. Oh yeah, the dash cam thing. I'm getting the dash cam. Now that I know that I'm keeping this, I was kind of laying off to find out what vehicle I was getting and what, if I was going to keep it. Now that I know that I'm going to keep this vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and let let them know that I want the camera. So they're going to be sending me a camera to review, test, and we'll see how it goes. But anyway, the Mach-E 4X all-wheel drive, I like it. So you guys have a good afternoon, good evening. Subscribe, ring the bell. You can do all that kind of stuff. If you've hung on this long, buy Daddy-O a cup of coffee. Daddy-O is out for the day. Yeah, I don't know. See you later. Daddy-O's out.